Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about deleting your account with Magnific AI. In order to do so, first off, we're going to start at Magnific.ai. And if you are here, then you're going to find up at the top right hand corner, you have your account option. However, if you click on either billing or manage sub, we'll just go ahead and select billing here, you're going to see that there is no information related to deleting your account. You can go to the FAQ and you're going to find the same thing. There is no information here related to deleting your account. There is also no information related to specific contact aside from the creators of Magnific, which you can find here at the bottom left-hand corner, the ability to contact them via X. And aside from that, there is no other way to contact support with Magnific. It appears that it is just these two individuals here who have created Magnific, and so it seems as though they're a small company and it's just the two of them. So if you are interested in deleting your account, then the best thing I can suggest is to try to contact them through the links here, or also you can see that they have some links to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. That appears to be the only way to contact them. I don't see any information related to a support email or anything of the sort. So at this point with Magnific, if you are interested in deleting your account, then the best thing I can suggest is that you select one of these two options and send them a message and then proceed from there. Perhaps they might add that functionality later on, but for the moment, it does appear that the only way to contact them is through these means. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like and subscribe for more helpful tips.